I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today I'm showing you how to replace the caster tires on a Permobil Powerchair, so stay tuned. Changing the caster tires on a Permobil Powerchair is a pretty straightforward process. Before we begin though, I just wanted to mention that if you need any batteries or you're looking for a used Permobil Powerchair, I have links in the description to those. You can check those out. If you have any questions, just give us a call and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the rear casters, but the front ones are going to be the exact same process. First thing we have to do is prop the unit up. I have this hand jack. We do sell these hand jacks. I will also have a link in the description if you want one of those, but you can honestly use anything to prop it up. Just have someone lift the unit, maybe slide something under there you just got to get it off the ground so that way you can slide the tire off. So what I'm going to start with, I'm going to get a small flathead screwdriver and then pop this cap off. There's a little place in there and it pops off. Once I have that cover off, it exposes an Allen wrench. This is a 6mm Allen wrench. So I'm going to get this in here, and then I'm just going to take that bolt off. The bolt is off, then there's a washer in there. Then from here, the caster wheel just slides off. There are bearings in here. If these pop out, you can usually pop them right back in. There's one on each side, then a little metal bearing in between. They shouldn't come out, but if they do, like I said, you just pop them right back in. That's how you take the tire off. Getting it back on is just as easy. You're just going to slide it over here. You might have to wiggle it a little bit because there's a bearing in there, but eventually it will slide back on. And then we'll go ahead and put our bolt back in, start to tighten it. I'll finish it up with the wrench just to make sure it's good and tight. And you do want to make sure that that is tight. You don't want it loosening itself up over time as you drive your unit. There we go, that's good and tight. Then we just stick this cap back in. And we're all good to go. This has been how to replace the caster tires on a Permobil Powerchair. Remember to like and subscribe, it really helps us out. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.